Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Monster Harmonic Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This advanced pattern tool automatically detects harmonic structures such as bats, Gartley, crab, butterfly, Cypher and shark to highlight potential high probability reversal zones. In this tutorial, you will see what patterns it covers, how they appear on the chart, and what trade management guidance the indicator can provide. The Monster Harmonic Indicator is a pattern recognition tool that scans price in real time, checks Fibonacci ratios, and draws harmonic patterns directly on your chart. It focuses on formations like Gartley, bat, butterfly, crab, Cypher, and shark, using strict Fibonacci relationships, like I previously said, to validate each structure before plotting it. The indicator is built to simplify harmonic trading by automating the otherwise complex work of spotting and measuring these patterns. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, it's loading up. Alright, so now we have it installed on the chart and it's quite easy to interpret. On the chart, the Monster Harmonic Indicator outlines each detected pattern, the geometric shape, and labels the key swing points that define the structure. For each valid pattern, it highlights a potential reversal zone, and the many versions suggest entry, stop loss, and take profit levels based on harmonic rules. Multi-timeframe support means you can see patterns from different time frames, from intraday to daily, and the built-in alerts notify you as new patterns complete. As for the settings, core options include pattern sensitivity, which controls how strictly the tool validates harmonic ratios and alert preferences for new pattern detection. You can also adjust visual settings such as colors and line styles, and in some implementations configure how suggested entries, stops, and targets are displayed on the charts. As for who is for, the Monster Harmonic Indicator is suitable for scalpers, day traders, and swing traders who want structured harmonic setups and clearer risks and reward zones. Despite Fibonacci precision, no pattern is guaranteed. Traders should confirm with price action, combine with other indicators like RSI or MACD, and always apply strict stop loss and position sizing. Overtrading every pattern, ignoring broader market conditions, or relying solely on automation are common mistakes to avoid. You can download the Monster Harmonic Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek is focused on how automatic harmonic detection, Fibonacci validation, alerts, and trade management guidance come together in one package. If you like pattern-based indicator tutorials, subscribe to the Forex Geek channel and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 breakdowns.